Having excess body weight is usually a problem among most people. Besides being considered a less attractive feature, weight gain can also cause health issues such as heart disease and diabetes. Weight loss should not be done just to look good and to be in shape, but also in order to improve your health and maintain it. Losing weight is never easy. It requires a complete lifestyle change, which includes eating healthier and more exercise. Some people eat when they have emotional problems, which they can't accept. For these people, it takes a very strong will to stop eating their emotions. There are numerous diets on the internet these days, but some of them don't offer the promised results and are extremely expensive. Some people who have tried a certain diet even ended up gaining more weight than they'd hoped to lose. It's the so-called yo-yo effect. You mustn't be desperate. Don't starve yourself or go to the gym all the time. Here, we're presenting you a beverage that will help you lose several pounds very quickly. And the ingredients of this beverage include 1 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. You just have to mix everything together. Drink half of this drink before you go to bed and take the other half the following morning on an empty stomach. If you stick to this routine, you can lose up to 5 to 7 pounds in as little as 7 days depending on your body type. So how is this even possible? The beverage contains ingredients that will help you increase the fat burning process. It will speed up your whole metabolism. Cinnamon is the most important ingredient. It contains one molecule that will help you generate more heat inside your body. It will also decrease your appetite. Cinnamon is especially beneficial because it decreases your blood sugar levels. This increases the insulin production in the pancreas, which breaks down fat cells. Honey is also very important because it's abundant in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It is metabolized and absorbed by the body in a slower way than any other sugar. Coconut oil contains plenty of healthy fats and medium-chain fatty acids. They are used for energy. Coconut oil is also very beneficial for the process of burning fat and stimulating the metabolism. So why don't you try this drink out today? Just mix it in your tea or coffee. It will sweeten them, but also have a fat-burning effect. It will suppress your appetite. If you want to achieve optimal results, try making some changes in your everyday diet and also exercise at least 3 times a day.